The Pimms Cup is fruity, fresh and busy. If it was a person, it'd be a 35-year-old with no friends going to watch a tennis with their mum at Wimbledon. Okay, this is a punch style drink, and to be honest with you can mix up some of the ingredients, but I'm going down more of a traditional route here. So let's start off with the Pimms, which is a British gin-based liqueur, which the bottle looks like it belongs in the 1920s. And then you need a British style clear lemonade, nothing cloudy or overly sweet. And there's cucumber, then our fruits, strawberries, lemon and orange, and also some mint to garnish. Okay, let's kick this off by topping and tailing our cucumber. And then if you get a wide peeler and you peel off a ribbon of cucumber, and then what you need to do is wrap this carefully around the Collins glass. And then you want to play a round of ice Jenga and carefully stack some ice up in this glass. Then you want to slice and layer your fruits. I've gone with the lemon and orange combo here. And as usual, it conveniently falls down to the bottom, but it's all fine for me topping this up a bit later. Now add to the glass 2 ounces, that's 60ml of Pimms. The Pimms Cup traces its history back to 1823 and was first marketed as a health drink. And this is associated with many events in the UK, including the Wimbledon tennis tournament. Then we want to top this off with our lemonade. Alternatively, you could use ginger ale or some soda water mixed with a bit of simple syrup and some lemon juice. Now try to pour it really slowly and carefully, as if you don't, like I did in this video, you'll get a frothy top. Garnish this with some mint sprigs and make sure you slap them to wake them up a little bit. And then finally, I'm going to skewer a strawberry like a school javelin accident and place this along the top. Okay, the taste test. Now this one is a little bit of a weird one. I find it's fresh tasting with a mild spicy undertone and then a little bit of sweetness, a little bit of sourness going through it all. It's okay, I think it makes a good sipper. Personally, I'm not too keen on all the fruit floating around in it, but I'm a bit OCD-ish about things like that. Give the subscribe button a good dry slap and most will enjoy. Have a couple more and behave yourselves.